case work claw, which is right here. You can see you can adjust it both ways, so you can have it on here. You can have it any which way you need, anywhere you need it to tighten or to adjust anything. Here we get to the top. You can see that these cabinets aren't lined up right now either way. There's a gap right here, so moving either way. Again, so you're going to tighten this right now. It's opened all the way up. And you can see if you look down in here, we have the laser line right here. You can kind of see it right through there. You can see it actually raise everything up. And then you can see it's really easy why it's tightened to adjust it. It's holding it by itself. Everything's flat right there. It's nice and level on the top. You can see that laser line right there. And then as you slowly tighten everything, it's going to make everything just line up nice and perfect. On the top, it's nice and flat. You move back, everything's nice and flush. And then, also when you're moving, take it in the back situation, where you can see kind of this metal kind of.
Yeah, you can add it back. So basically, what that's doing, once you get it tight here, it holds it there, so you don't need a clamp. By turning it, it gives you clamping.
To make this straight.
Well, you would actually put this here and then there. Those are wiggle there, like three of them go on. Yeah, so you could just explain like this. So I'm going to get it here and then come back to here. That would be probably the way. That's what we did before. We used this to tighten it.
Yeah.
So you say, go ahead and do that one first, and then come back to this one.
All right, here we're using the casework claw. You can see that the frames are unaligned right now. You can see the laser line right here. See how far it's down. The faces aren't aligned. So basically what we'd use the casework claw for is to first make the upper of the cabinets all aligned. Get that there. It's going to hold it right there. And that's your first kind of alignment. And that makes it so everything's kind of being held up the right level. Everything's nice and flush right here. And then you use the second claw. And that's going to go around. You can see just to fine tune everything, get everything nice and flush. Again, and then it's going to raise everything up nice and tight right there. You can see down it. You look down in there, you see the laser. So everything's nice and flush. And the faces are nice and flush. And you come up to the base. And that's the case work claw. And if you are doing something other than frameless, here is another claw.
That's great. So we're good there?
We're good?
Yes, perfect.